Hello again, this is Dr. Anthony Rakovic from Euclid Chiropractic Clinic, and we talked about this last week was the common cold and how people normally fight it off and how people recover from the common cold. Talked about both the medical approach and also the wellness or health approach, using natural remedies for one too. The medical side is most people they run to the over-the-counter drugs for nasal congestions, common cold, if you want to call it medications, and the problem with those, even if it helps you recover from the cold faster, it doesn't really kill the virus. But what it does kill is your immune system. So the problem is the rest of the season that you might get affected again is you're more likely to get another cold because now your immune system has been lowered, so there's nothing in your body to help fight off the next infection or virus. The problem with antibiotics, because most people go to the medical doctor when they get sick enough, they feel, hey look, give me something from the doctor, has to work, correct? The problem is when you do that, the antibiotics that I do prescribe are not effective. This is medical studies, not my own opinion. Medically, it's not effective. Antibiotics are great for bacterial infections, but not for viruses. And again, common cold is a virus. So what do you do naturally to help fight it off and or recover from a cold faster is you do more natural things. And there's a bunch of herbs out there you can look at. I'm a practical person. I go to the grocery store. I'm a bachelor, so that's what I do. You can find certain things as ginger roots. You can find in the vegetable department. What you do is take a slice of that and put it in some hot water to make ginger tea. How simple can that be? Trust me, I know. That's what I do. What the purpose of ginger is, it's an anti-parasitic, but also antiviral and antibacterial. So with that, it allows your body to not only fight it off faster, the virus itself, but also if you drink that on a routine basis when you're around people who are sick or just don't feel well, that'll be effective to help you recover from the cold and help resist the cold too. Another thing people use is garlic. Garlic is great to cook with, for one, in either soups or also pasta sauce. That's what I use mine in. And again, it's an antibacterial along with antiviral. The best thing about garlic too is that you can cook with it and not just drink it as a tea for one also. It's more effective in an everyday food or a couple times a week to help fight off and or resist the common cold. Last thing we talked about last week too is coconut oil. Not as common or not as popular, but coconut oil allows your body to be an anti-inflammatory, help with the inflammation process. People have that when they have a sore throat, a red nose for one too, where all your sinuses get inflamed from the infection. But also is the antibacterial and antiviral too. And with coconut oil, what I choose to do is sometimes cook with it for one, but also people have read on different blogs and articles, done a great job with researching about using coconut oil as an actual massage rub and rubbing in the respiratory areas of the chest, the upper back, and also the neck to help, again, both resist the common cold but also recover from the common cold faster. But just a couple things, practical things you can use to help your body through this next season of the common cold and flu season, they call it. It really listens to your body, how your body works. Most of our patients, they choose not to take medication. Not because that's their faith or belief, but because you realize the side effects of that. That's what I do. Again, you're your own person. Choose what's best for you. My job is to make sure you have informed of what both sides of the story are and how things really work out there. Okay? So have a great weekend. Have a great overall. Hopefully it stays warm for you out there. This is Euclid Chiropractic Clinic. Again, we're a whole body health center, meaning that we want to treat your body from the inside out, and that includes proper nutrition, exercise, and keeping your spine healthy. Have a great day.